OpenAI just dropped O3 Mini, their first reasoning model that is available to all users, including free users. According to OpenAI benchmark, O3 is the best and fastest AI reasoning model yet. Actually, they have a couple of versions of it. OpenAI O3 Mini, O3 Mini High, and O3 Mini Medium. So they named it in terms of effort, I guess. Yes. So O3 Mini has low effort, O3 Mini Medium has medium effort, the reasoning effort. So O3 Mini is their newest, most cost-effective model, and it is arguably their fastest reasoning model. Each version of O3 model is tailored for different purposes, but all focus on coding, reasoning, STEM. So ChatGPT Plus team and pro user can access OpenAI O3 Mini starting today, with enterprise access coming in February. O3 Mini will replace OpenAI O1 Mini in the model picker. So it is already gone, O1 Mini. It replaced O1 Mini, and so now O1 Mini and O1 Mini High. Starting today, free user can also try O3 Mini by selecting reason in the message composer or by regenerating a response. Thanks to DeepSeek R1, OpenAI had to cut their cost and give access this reasoning model to the free user who never experienced this reasoning model by OpenAI. Here's the important part. While OpenAI O1 remains their broader general knowledge reasoning model, OpenAI O3 Mini provide a specialized alternative for technical domain requiring precision and speed. All paid users will also have the option of selecting O3 Mini High in the model picker of higher intelligence version that makes a little longer to generate responses. Pro user will have unlimited access of both O3 Mini and O3 Mini High. So this is another important part. Similar to its OpenAI O1 predecessor, O3 Mini has been optimized for STEM reasoning, which means science, technology, engineering, and mathematical reasoning. O3 Mini with medium reasoning effort matches O1's performance in math, coding, and science while developing faster responses. Now let's have a look at their benchmark. So in the computational math, OpenAI O3 Mini scored highest among all these previous models, and all of these O3 Mini version has surpassed O1 preview and then PhD level science question. In this case, there are not bigger difference but a little. O3 Mini High scored around 1% more than O1. O3 Mini Low, Medium and High both surpass O1 Mini with a marginal difference. And then computational code. This is a very interesting part. Here you can see O3 Mini scored highest among O1 and O1 preview. Even O3 Mini Low, Medium both scored higher than O1 preview and O1 Mini. So this is really exceptional. Now next, software engineering. In this section, O3 Mini High scored higher than full version of O1. The difference is not bigger, but it's still a mini version who scored higher than a full-blown version. Then there are some other benchmark. In terms of speed, O3 Mini is around 2500 millisecond faster. So it is faster while being more accurate in most of the cases. So now let's have a quick test. So let's try O3 Mini. So this is a pretty hard question that it might not get it right. So we'll try O3 Mini High later. So basically we're asking to create a sentence that makes sense and grammatically correct, and the sentence should have 9 words, and each word, for example, the first word should have 1 letter, the second word should have 2 letters, and the third word should have 3 letters, and so on. So let's see. Now it will go back and forth to match the sentence that makes sense and grammatically correct. So right, we got our answer. So first let's count each word. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So the answer is correct, and the number of word in each word has also correct amount of letters. So right, so now let's ask our next question. All right, so now let's ask a math question. So here's the question. So I have the answer, but I have no idea how to solve it. So let's see if it can get the correct answer. Oh, it is actually correct. The correct answer is -3. All right, so now let's test some coding stuff. So for coding, we will choose O3 Mini High. So it is specifically great at coding and logic. So let's choose it and try this one. So now I'll ask you to create a chess game that can run locally. Okay, it's thinking. All right, so we got our game and it looks really good. And let's try it out. Mm, then this one and this one. Well, it's working perfectly. Alright, so this is really impressive. So I have tested out to create a chess game for 2 years with a bunch of AI model, but no one could ever get it right for the first attempt. So this is amazing. So I must say in coding section it nailed. Alright, so now let's ask some logical questions. So the first one I got this one. Elise has 3 brothers and 2 sisters. How many sisters does Alice's brother have? Okay, we got our answer and it is okay, it is correct. So she has 3 sisters in total, including her. Alright, so the next question is a bit tricky. So Daniel, Emily, and Marquino and Christina wear shirts of distinct color, red, yellow, and green or blue. Only the person in blue tells the truth and others lie. Now it need to determine each person's shirt color and whether Christina will wear blue tomorrow. So let's see what it got. Oh, it is correct actually. So Christina will indeed wear blue tomorrow. Alright, so from my initial test, it impressed me a lot in terms of logical answers, math, coding, reasoning, and it is way faster than previous model. On top of that, you have search option. You can combine the search and reasoning power, and it is free for everyone. So in summary, O3 Mini is a major step forward than O1 Mini, even a full version of O1. So in the next video, I'll be doing a detailed comparison between O3 Mini and DeepSeek R1. So subscribe the channel so that you don't miss out any upcoming videos. And I'll see you around.